Alright, so these are my targets. This me from 50 yards with the 45. This me from 50 yards with the 40. This is me from, what was this, 25 yards with the 40. That's me from 25 yards with the other 40. And I think this last one was me from 50 yards with the 40. That was the first time I did the 50-yard shot. I was way off. All right, let's take a look at yours, TJ. TJ, first time at the range. I think he did pretty good. What was this one?
25.
25 yards with the 40 or the 45? That was like 45.
This one was
They pretty good on that. Yeah, that's the 45.
Yeah, this is the 45 right here.
Man, hit shot, boy. Alright. That's pretty good too. This what was this? We should have rolled on them.
That one was the 40.
40
25 feet.
25 yards. This one right here, 50 kind of got him a little bit. Ain't do too good on the 50. First time doing it though, not bad. Yeah, there was the 50 again with the 45. He didn't do too bad on it. 50 again, 45. Kept going up to the left, so we got to work on that. Pretty good overall, man.